without me fixing everything in, because there is always something to fix. Draw wheel sockets from Parkside Lido, cow front and all these, 17, 19 and 21 millimeter. They come in a hard box, metal clasp. Advertised as chrome molybdenum. Got this plastic color on top of the socket so you don't scratch the wheels. There is like a plastic insert on the inside, and it's not very thick, the metal you can see here, because sockets usually tend to crack on the side. Let's see the 19. It's heavy though. What I've been using is a socket like this one. This is from Halfords. Yeah, let's undo a few nuts. Wheel nuts maybe. I think mine is on 17 maybe. Let's see how they fit, but it's brand new from the packaging, so ½ inch. A very firm grip. It is still brand new, we'll see after a few use. Full battery, full blast. Let's give it a go. These are torx to 100 Newton meters like 3 months ago, 110 Newton meters. Ah, perfect. Now it bites here. Ah, it's okay. Still brand new, definitely. So yeah, socket like a socket. How long it's going to last, I don't know. You can see here it's already having some burr on the side. In the comments, if it cracks, I'll tell you in the comments, I usually change the 7 sets of tire every season. So yeah, let's see how does it fit in a aluminium wheel. Yeah, it's good that it has it, if you're really careful. It's good. I'm never careful with the wheels on my car, so can't say nothing about it. I prefer if it's a little bit more meaty. It's gonna be tougher. But yeah, this is going to be for that unboxing short review. Definitely, unfortunately, I don't have cars with 19 and 17. Only once had a car with a 21. I had a Mitsubishi with 21 nut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Very nice case, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.